my name is Griffin. I am a software engineering emphasis for my major. My advisor was Dr. Bune, and my client was Institutional Assessment and Research, which is a department here at CSU Monterey Bay. You guys might actually not really know what institutional research does. You can think of them as kind of like the statistical brain of the school. What they do is they compile different demographical data, reports for other departments on campus who might make decisions based on this data, or they might also prepare this data for other groups off campus who request it. Another one of our responsibilities is taking student data and compiling it, the survey results of it, into different reports and provide them to provosts, research analysts, and other individuals who need this data in order to make decisions. This is a very time-consuming process. IAR only has 3 people in it. Last semester and last year they only had 2 people in it. I was only working part-time back then. And to go from start to finish on putting these things together, it's a lot of work. You have to go through on each individual comment, you have to tag them, and then you have to sort them and send them out in a final Excel form to whoever might be receiving them. It really wasn't a good way to do it. So the solution was the Qualitative Survey Reporting 2, or QSRT for short. Basically what this program is it's a web-based application that allows users to generate this kind of data on the fly based on the different kind of inputs that they select. Instead of a ready-to-go report, what you get basically is more user control, which is really the most important thing here. So instead of these different provosts or other research analysts coming back to us to ask us to make them a new report every single time they want to compare trends or other different data, what they can do is they can go and change put all this input and generate this data by themselves. And that kind of takes us out of the loop, which is really kind of nice. As I said before, the main target audience was basically deans and provosts, research analysts who have access to make decisions based on this kind of data. Security was kind of a big deal because most users don't have access to this data. So sorry, I'm missing a slide. For the methodology of putting this together, basically I released versions early and often. I had to support a live version and a test version because we had to get the different people who were having us do this interested early so it didn't kind of fall by the wayside. There were 3 main things that I learned on this process. One of them was actually implementing different features based on business rules and what businesses need instead of based on what an academic assignment wants. Another would be putting a large project together from start to finish. And the third would probably be just making sure that all of the people using it are happy. The different tools that I used to put this together were mostly different web scripting languages like HTML, PHP. There was a MySQL database backend. A lot of different features put together using JavaScript. And that's all I have. So thank you very much for your time. I want to thank Dr. Bune and Kate Lockwood, who was not here right now, I don't think, but she helped me last semester before Dr. Bune did. And if you guys have any questions, you can see me in the poster section in room 106.